Hi everyone, this session is about acceptance of a string in NFA. Check the acceptance of a string 00101 with the given NFA. Starting with the initial state Q0, the first symbol to be read is 0. Q0 on 0, it can move to the two states, that is Q0 or Q1. So there are two possible states, that is Q0 and Q1 with the same input symbol 0. And the second symbol to be read is 0. Q0 on 0, again there are two possibilities, that is Q0 and Q1. Process the second symbol from Q1. Q1 on 0, it is not defined in the given NFA, so the process will stop here. The third symbol to be read is 1, so that Q0 on 1, it is moving to the self state, that is Q0, and Q1 on 1, it is moving to the state Q2 with the symbol 1. The fourth symbol to be read is 0. Q0 on 0, again two possibilities, that is it can move to the state Q0 or Q1. Here the fourth symbol is 0. Q2 on 0, it is not defined in the NFA, so that the process will stop here. Then the last symbol to be processed is 1. So Q0 on 1, it is moving to the state Q0, and Q1 on 1, it is moving to the state 1, that is Q2. Finally, we got two states, that is Q0, Q2 with the input string 00101. Find the intersection with F. F is the final state in the given NFA. So Q0, Q2 intersection with F, that is Q2, you are going to get the state Q2. The result is not equal to 5. So the given string 00101 is accepted by the given NFA. When you find the intersection, if you got the answer as 5, the string is not accepted by the NFA. Check the acceptance with an extended transition function. Starting with the initial state, that is Q0, and the first symbol to be read is 0. Q0 on 0, it is moving to the two states, that is Q0 and Q1. And the next symbol to be read is 0. Let us write it as delta of Q0 on 0, 0, 0. Next symbol to be processed is 0. Q0 on 0, it is already calculated and we got the output Q0, Q1. So the next symbol to be processed is 0, so that we need to calculate Q0 on 0 union Q1 on 0. So we need to write delta of Q0 on 0 union delta of Q1 on 0. Q0 on 0, it is Q0 Q1 union Q1 on 0, it is not defined in the NFA, so that it is 5. That is empty set. So finally, we are going to get the result Q0 Q1. The next symbol to be processed is 1. So delta of Q0 on 001. So Q0 on 00 already processed and we got the result Q0 Q1. So now we need to find out with the input symbol 1. So we need to write delta of Q0 on 1 union delta of Q1 on 1. Q0 on 1, it is Q0 union Q1 on 1, it is Q2. So finally we are going to get the result Q0 Q2. And the next symbol to be read is 0. So delta of Q0 on 0010. Already up to this one we have processed and we got the result Q0 Q2. So we need to write delta of Q0 on 0 union delta of Q2 on 0. Q0 on 0, we got Q0 Q1 union Q2 on 0, it is not defined in the given NFA, so it is 5. So finally we are going to get the result Q0 Q1, and the last symbol to be read is 1. So delta of Q0 on 0 0 1 0 1. So delta of Q0 on 1 union delta of Q1 on 1. Q0 on 1 we got Q0 union Q1 on 1 it is Q2. So final result is Q0 Q2. Find the intersection with F. Q0 Q2 intersection with the final state, that is Q2, and you're going to get the result Q2. Now it is not is equal to 5, so the string 00101 is accepted. Let us define the acceptance of a language NFA. L of A is equal to, it is having set of all strings of the form W such that when W is processed with the help of transition function with the starting state Q0, it is going to get some set of states, perform the intersection operation with F, and the result should not be equal to 5. Then only the string is accepted by the finite automata.